Here are 10 golden words or quotes from Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. Unity, faith, discipline. We are a nation with a mission of fulfill. Pakistan is not just a country, it's a laboratory where we can experiment with the principles of justice, equality, and freedom. The great majority of us are Muslims. We follow the teaching of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. We are members of the Brotherhood of Islam. You are free to go to your temples, you are free to go to your mosques or to any other places of worship in this state of Pakistan. No nation can rise to the height of glory unless your women are side by side with you. Our object should be to make Pakistan a great country, a country worthy of its great past. We must work together to build a new Pakistan, a Pakistan worthy of our dreams. The story of Pakistan, its struggle and its achievement is a story of courage, of faith, of disciplines, and of the unbreakable will of a great nation. My message to you all is of hope, courage, and confidence. Let us march forward together to build a Pakistan that is worthy of our highest aspiration. These quotes reflect Quaid-e-Azam's vision for a united, prosperous, and just Pakistan. His emphasis on the importance of faith, disciplines, and equality. दोस्तों, अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक्स।